everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I've been really super busy today. As you guys can see, my background is completely different. I painted the walls in my filming room, hung some shelves, strung some lights, and my fingers, I have paint all over them because I am a horrible painter. Like before I did this video, I had paint like down my face here. It is literally completely on the bottom of my foot because I stepped in the lid. So I have paint all over.
I am very sorry for the quality of this video. My camera was on the wrong setting and I didn't realize it.
I have a little bit of different lighting also for right now until I can get a ring light. So hopefully this looks okay. I'm trying to make it better for you guys. But again, hope you guys are doing fantastic. In today's video, we have yet again another unboxing, of course. Today we have my Macy's beauty box, which I actually canceled Macy's, but I didn't cancel it before the 10th of last month, so they sent me another one. So this will be my last Macy's box. If you don't know, Macy's is $15 a month, and you usually get little tiny samples. So let's just get into this box and see what we got. Have my Christmas scissors. I did find them again. I lost them earlier when I was painting, but let's rip in here. And I have no idea what's in here. No, like, I haven't seen any spoilers or anything. So it is going to be a surprise for me as well. Why is there so much tape on this box? I need like a box cutter. Okay. So we open up the box here. And this month we have something a little, I have stuff stuck to me. A little different. We have some cards that says, oops. We've had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love that instead. Okay, so I have 3 of these little cards that say they had to replace a sample in my box because it doesn't say why, but it says don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So I have 3 oops cards, the story of my life, oops. And then we have the actual Macy's beauty card, which they just slap all the items right on front, so I'm not even going to look at it. And then the bag this month is pretty cute. It is a black leathery bag, and it says Glam Goals. And it is really cute. I like the black and the white polka dots. So we'll get this, and then our little sushi roll of items is inside. It's like a little row. Okay, I'm already making this room a mess. Anyways, so I will roll this out. And let's see. Okay, so here are all the items out in front of me. The first thing, like I made that face, I think these are underwear. It says Waco B fitting bikini size fits small to extra large. And here's this, and I don't know if they're underwear. I've never gotten underwear in a subscription box. They are underwear. What? Let's see what it says in the in the card. It says, made from Pima cotton spandex, this bikini is breathable, comfy, and sleek foundation to your holiday party outfits. One size fits most. Be-fitted lightweight bikini in nude. So I'm guessing these are underwear. Like they're really soft. But I have never gotten underwear in a subscription box, so that's really different. So the first item we have is some undies, which is, I am so sorry. It just cracks me up. I had never gotten underwear in a subscription box before, so. And I mean, they are pretty stretchy. They seem good quality, and it says one size fits most, and it says they are $15, or you can get 3 for $39. Okay, so we got some underwear. Alrighty. The next thing we got is from Clinique, and I do believe that I have received it. I don't know if this was in my last Macy's. This is the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. And here is the little packaging for it. And it just says, here's the little thing again. Lightweight and oil-free, this facial moisturizer will keep skin hydrated, protected against pollution for up to 24 hours. And the full size of this is $28. So, and I do have this, but I don't remember if I got it in a Macy's or another subscription box because I can't keep all my subscription boxes like in order because I'm not that organized. But there is the hydrating jelly. So we got that. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this little box, and this is by, oh boy, Shiseido. It's a modern matte powder lipstick. And here's the little box that it comes in. Again, ignore my nails. I have, not fingernail polish on them. Well, I do, and wall paint. But here is the little box for this. And this is, it says Shiseido. This liquid goes on like a soothing balm, but it's high pigmentation, creates the ultimate red lip, a holiday party must. And it says the full size is $26. So let's just get into this packaging and see what it is. It says that it is red. So I really do like the packaging. It is very sleek. It is just black and then has a red line down the side of it with their brand name on the front. And here is the lipstick. It is a very pretty color. Let's give it a swatch. It is very red. It is like a maroon wine color. I do have lipstick on, so I'm not going to try this on because it probably wouldn't go well with the stuff that I have on. So here's that color. It is very pretty. So that's really good for the holidays. So I'll be using this. And the next thing I'm pulling out is this itty bitty little thing. And it says Smashbox Photo Finish Ionic Primer Stick. And this says, control shine for up to 12 hours while also creating a smooth base for all your glam holiday looks. And the full size of this is $32. So let's see if I can get into this. Oh, there's a little sticky thing there. So here is the primer. It is so tiny, but it is just a white primer stick. So, and it feels like a chapstick, but it actually blurred the lines on my hand. So this would be really good for like under my eyes because I have huge pores under my eyes. So I'll definitely be trying this little guy out. The next thing I'm pulling out is by It Cosmetics, and this is a superhero liner. And I do believe, didn't we get one of these? I keep having like reminiscence that we've gotten some of this stuff before. But this is the superhero liner, and it is, I'm guessing it is a black eyeliner. It says Heavenly Skin Easy Glide Brush. And here is the packaging for that. And this says, between its collagen and peptide enriched formula and unique brush shape, so no lashes left behind with this clinically tested mascara. The full size of this is $24. So let's rip this guy out of here and see. So we just have a little eyeliner. Why do I keep saying mascara? It's not mascara. It is a superhero eyeliner. Every time I do a video, I'm like, oh, this is eyeliner, but it's really mascara. Or this is mascara and it's eyeliner. This is eyeliner. So this is a black eyeliner. Here is the applicator. It is very thin. So we will just draw a line. It is a very thin line, but the harder you push, the thicker it gets. So it is right here on my hand. It is very black, so I would definitely use this. It doesn't seem to be going in my little creases on my hand, so that's really good. The next thing I see is Miss Dior et Parfum, and this is floral notes like Grace and Damascus Rose give the handcrafted scent of a soft and sensual quality with undeniable yeah, for girls. 3.4 fluid ounces is $130. So this is pretty pricey. And here's the little bottle. It's very pretty if you were to purchase the full size of it. So I'm just going to take it out of here and give it a sniff. Maybe. There we go. That smells really good. You can smell the rose in it, but it's not overpowering rose. it smells really good. So I will definitely be using, I love getting perfume samples because I can't afford the full size. So I like to smell fancy every once in a while, so I'll pull out my little samples. So this smells amazing. And the next thing we have is Savage Eau Parfum. And this is another little perfume sample. And this says fresh notes of Calabrian bergamot and papaya, New Guinea vanilla ground with this masculine scent. So this is for men. And I always give these to my husband because I'm like, here, put this on it. It smells good. So we give this sniff. All I can smell is that other perfume. So I gotta let that clear out for just a second because it's kind of strong. So a little bit's gonna go a long ways. All right, actually I'm just gonna spray this on my wrist and I'll just smell like a man. I'm not going anywhere, so. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that smells really good. Man, I really like this. Oh, that smells so good. It's like cinnamony and, oh, I can't think of it. But it smells like cinnamon to me and it smells super good. Maybe I'll just wear this and smell like a man. Like, sorry, honey. It smells really good. I can't stop sniffing it. But here is the Savage. And this smells really good, so I will pass this on to my husband. And the last thing we got is pretty big. And it's filled about up to here. I can see through my lights. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. Balancing body cream. Okay. Someone's like squealing on their tires like a madman. This is wind down and indulge yourself this holiday season with this rich body cream and its hints of Indian rose and Himalayan honey. The full size of this is $33. I'm going to smell like a million different scents at the end of this video, but that's okay. Oh yeah, here's the packaging for this little guy, and like you can see right here is where it's filled to. So actually you're getting quite a bit for Macy's because usually they send, you know, teeny tiny samples. But here is that body cream I almost lost. Oh, there's a lid. Phone going off. So we will just put some on my hand. And it is just a white cream. So I smell it through all the perfume and cologne that I have going on in this room. Ooh, that smells good. It reminds me of Christmas. It smells like a Christmas tree. But you can definitely smell the honey in it. But maybe with that and then that, like the cinnamon, it smells like a Christmas tree to me. But all these scents, they do smell really good, but together, they just smell like a Christmas tree. So that is all that came in my Macy's this month. Actually, it wasn't a bad bag this month. I really like the bag. It's super cute. And who knows, maybe I'll resubscribe to Macy's, but I did cancel Macy's, and I got the Vela box, and I resubscribed to Ipsy for my small bag. So who knows, maybe I will resubscribe to Macy's because this bag I really liked. I hate when they do that. But if you guys, I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? I would love to know what you guys thought. But that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!